the next important term that we need to understand in order for us to accomplish the first two most essential learning competencies is lies or lying. Okay, the thing is, lying is not the opposite of truth. Okay, the opposite of truth is falsity, which means there is no correspondence between the reality and your thoughts, words, and deeds. Now, lies has something to do with truth as well. Okay? So, let us begin by defining and trying to understand the different elements of lying. So, when we say lying, it means intentional misrepresentation of the truth by word, by gestures, or even by silence. So kapag tiningnan natin ang definition ng lying, related pa rin siya sa truth. Okay? And in this case, sabi ko nga kanina, iba ang lying sa truth, and the opposite of truth is falsity. But in lying, hindi natin sinasabi ang katotohanan. Now, hindi lang siya through words, but even in our gestures, sa ating mga pagkilos, and even sa ating pagtahimik or being silent in, let us say, in a particular situation. Now, let's say for example, we have these two persons. These two persons, one is the speaker, the other one is the listener. Now, let us presume that this listener has the right to know what the speaker would say. Let's say, for instance, ang sitwasyon na kinabibilangan nila ay tinatanong ng teacher, ito listener ha, tinatanong ng teacher yung kanyang estudyante kung bakit mababa yung kanyang nakuhang score. Tinanong niya kung siya ba ay nakapag-review, kung may problema ba sa bahay, or what. So, this teacher deserves to know the truth. Now, in lying, the speaker deliberately mislead or deceive a person who has the right to know the truth. So, ang elements ng lying ay ito ay sinadya, ginusto, it is intentional. And you do this to mislead, to deceive, lokohin, or dalhin sa maling pagkakaunawa ang listener. And then, of course, the person, okay, yung listener is the person who has the right to hear, to know the truth. Again, for the definition or for the elements of lying, it is deliberate. The purpose is to mislead or deceive a person who has the right to hear the truth. Now, sa ating sitwasyon kanina, tinatanong halimbawa ng guro kung bakit mababa yung kanyang score, kung nakapag-aral ba siya. Okay? Now, pwedeng sagutin ng bata kung ano yung totoo. Okay? The truth is, he was not able to study. Okay? That is the truth. Now, how can he or she mislead the teacher or deceive the teacher? Pwedeng sabihin niya, ma'am, nawalan po ng wifi, nawalan po ng kuryente, hindi ko po natapos sagutan yung quiz, that's why I failed. Okay? So that is, of course, lying.